Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to adjust table cell width and height in Microsoft Word. Open the Word document. You can see the table with its default size. Now click on any cell and then press the cross symbol to select the entire table. After this, from the menu Table Layout, you can adjust the height and width of the table from the field Cell Size. You can see the adjustment immediately. Now from the section Alignment, you can click on the best option for your text. If you need it, adjust the size of the table again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.